Before we proceed, I want us to understand the layouts of a website together with the markups, okay? So that anytime you open from today, when you open any website, you'll be able to understand how things have been arranged and the idea behind it. You don't just get up and then you throw everything in there, right? So in the previous videos, we showed this. The baby shark here is the header, right? It's a heading. And we have this could be like H1, and this is also another heading. History here is another heading. We have this one, which is also a smaller one. And then these are what? Paragraphs, right? So what do we also have here? We have at the top here, you can see we have a logo. Okay, we have a logo. We call this a form. It's for input. So if you want to search something, you click here and then you type and then you hit search. It will search for you. Okay, so these are all things that we have in web development. So here we have a certain image. We are going to do something just like this. Okay, we have certain image, we have more paragraphs, we have more hypertexts or links. You scroll down, you can see we have a table here. We will learn how to make a table like this, right? We scroll down, you see down here, okay, we have what we call a footer. We have a footer, right? So between the footer and then this side, we call the body. Okay, let's see another website. So there's another website, which is a dating website, BritPairs. You see here, there's a background, and you see in here we have the navigation menu, right? We hit here, we have the get started. Okay, this is not. Then you come here, you see a paragraph here, or in web development, we can say we put everything here in a div. And you see 1, 2, 3, these are boxes, just that the outlines are not showing. When we are done with this side talks about one thing. Okay, so they have one background color. We come here, they are talking about why choose us. It talks about one thing. Here they have a paragraph here, a text here, and then they have an image and a button, all in this one section. Okay, and then down here is talking about a different thing. This is testimonials, I think. So that also gets another color. This is the idea behind web development. Okay, that when what you are talking about is different from the preceding or the proceeding, then you try to introduce slightly different background colors to sort of introduce that distinction. And then here you see pictures in here, right? 3 pictures. You see another picture, another button. And you go to the footer, right? This is under construction, I believe. It's a beautiful website. So for those who want to have dating, you can look at britpairs.com. Great. So let me show you something here also. So when it comes to designing a website, the layout, you can have a logo here. This now becomes the navigation where you have your about, home, the rest, right? All the sort of menus you need. We have here the header or the hero that introduces what you are about. and we have the body area and the footer. So they are different. Let's see another one. This is another different type. You have the logo, you have the navigation. You know, the logo and the navigation, unlike this one where the logo is up, navigation is down here. Logo and navigation are on the same line. You have your header hero, you have your body, and you have, this is not logo, sorry. These are boxes where you have other boxes here, 1, 2, 3, and then you have your footer. Okay. And then there's another one where you have your logo, you have your navigation, right? And then, uh, so you have this one, the logo here, navigation. We have something we call aside. We have a header or hero, the body area, and other boxes for pictures or for videos or for other text, what have you, and then your footer. Okay, so I believe from here, when anytime you see a website, you will be able to tell how it's actually been partitioned and things have been positioned. Great. So from here, if you have this understanding, we are now going to get into HTML and see how we will use HTML to tell the text editor or the computer that this is a logo, these are navigations, this is a header, this is the body area, okay, this is the footer, right? Articles or whatever we want to put here, right? So the body, we can have section, article, whichever way that you think you have to do to design your website. Thank you. So let's move on to HTML and learn the tags that we will use to make these a reality. Thank you. See you.